Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And also, if you find my content valuable, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. So yes guys, so what I want to share with you basically today, I want to go into my Sweatcoin, and I'm gonna go and try and basically um go ahead and put some sweat token in my growth jar, and then I'm going to show you guys how you're able to collect free chrome. I've shown you guys many times on my channel before, but today I can do so, so I'm just going to take you through the step and how I did to do it. So let's go. So yes guys, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my Sweatcoin wallet. So I'm going to go to the growth jar, and then I'm gonna just basically click create growth folder. Then I'm gonna just click the one that I want. I take the most, and I'm gonna use all of my uh sweat tokens, and then I'm gonna just press continue. So yes guys, so let's see what happened. Maybe they said I need more, or maybe it just goes through. So yes, it did go through, so that's really nice. So basically I stake 5.9 Chrome token, and I'll be getting 0.7, so 0.71. So that's really good. So yes guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys basically how I go and collect free Chrome and crypto.com. So yes guys, so I just go into my portfolio, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press the mission button at the top here, missions. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press this button here that says unlock now. So I'm just gonna press the unlock button. Then I'm gonna press to go in my store, my Chrome store. So I'm gonna press anywhere, because they say it's press anywhere to just put the diamond in your store. So once the diamond is in the vault rather, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in the store. So in the store they have a $25 box that you can open, a mystery box right here. They have other things, so they do have five options right here. They do have the mystery box, they do have two experience, and they do have two merge. So merchandise. So okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press the mystery box to get my free Chrome. Then I'm gonna use all my 25 um diamonds to collect it. I'm just gonna click redeem. So basically I got a silver box, so I'm just gonna tap on the screen to open it, and then they're gonna basically give me some Chrome. So they have basically given me 9.2 Chrome. So let's go ahead and see what the dollar value for those Chromes. So yes guys, so I'm just gonna click withdraw, and they're gonna ask me if I want to withdraw 20%, 50%, 75%, or all of it. So that's 100%. So I'm just gonna say all, and then I'm gonna click the withdrawal button, confirm. So this token is being transferred to my wallet, which is my crypto.com wallet. So I'm just gonna press anywhere to continue, and then I'm gonna go back to my home page. Gonna go in my wallet. So I'm gonna go in my wallet, and I'm gonna go into the Chrome. So basically you can see at the bottom here that I have transferred over the 5.2 Chrome. So let's see how much is the dollar value. So the dollar value is 61 Canadian. So that is equal to about 40 something or maybe $39 in US. So yes, guys. So that's basically what I want to share with you today. This is really a short video today, guys. So stay tuned tomorrow for another video, because what happened, I'm in some trades, so I'm kind of figuring where to put my stop loss. I kind of just joined some trend lines, figuring out where to put my trend line and stuff like that. So yes, guys, so stay tuned for another video. And guys, before I go, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.